Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the DayZ error code Ox00040074? The error message reads, "You were kicked off the game, data verification error. The client has mod what is not on the server. The server sets the modest. Please join through the launcher and select Set up DLCs and mods and join to load the mods the server uses." Well, you're not alone. As per our research, the error is coming because of some issues with the mods. It is really hard to say what issues your mods are exactly having, but one thing is sure, the error has something to do with mods. While this error can be frustrating, there are steps you can take to resolve it. Firstly, try restarting your device. Then, run both Steam and DayZ with administrative privileges. This simple step has been the solution for some players. If the error still presents, try using the vanilla launcher and selecting the Setup Mods and DLC button. This might help align your game mods with the server requirements and resolve the error. But what if the error persists? Head to your Steam library, find DayZ, and verify the game files. This process can help identify and fix any potential issues with your game files. Are you using the GWR7 Gauss rifle mod and DABS framework? If so, go to the Mods tab and remove them. Restart your system after and check if the error still exists. And finally, if you're still facing the error Ox00040074, it's time to delete your mods one by one. After deleting each mod, check if the error continues to persist. Remember, the DayZ error code Ox00040074 is linked to mod issues, so taking these steps should help you get back into the game. Restart your device and run Steam and DayZ as an administrator, use the vanilla launcher, verify your game files, remove specific mods, and if all else fails, delete your mods one by one. With a little patience and persistence, you should be able to resolve the error and enjoy your game once again. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.